Hello, boys and girls. So, as you know, I'm not here at school. You have a wonderful substitute. She's going to be with you for a while. I'm going to be at home for a while with my new baby, and I hope you're all on your best behavior and you still have tons of fun in art. I've got some wonderful activities planned for you guys, and Miss Bridges is going to do a fantastic job with you too. Please listen and be on your best behavior in art. Have fun. Hello, my amazing artists. Are you ready to create? Here we go. Let's do our motto first. Repeat after me. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. All right, my amazing artists, here we go. So at the end of class today, you will watch a book about a really funny snowman. And then next week we will draw the snowman. This week we're gonna do the background of what the snowman is going to be on, okay? And we're gonna do a wintry background with some wintry lines. So today you're gonna need the neon tempera paints, you're gonna need water, a paintbrush, and a pencil. And all the pencil is so that you can write your name and your number on your black paper first. So that's the first thing you will do. It's a little bit tricky to see, but I'm sure Miss Bridges can handle it. So you're gonna write your name and your class number, and then you're gonna flip your paper over. Now we want our papers up and down because our snowmen are gonna be up and down like this. We have used tempera paint before, so this is not new to you. These are the ones you have to wake up with water, just like watercolors. These are super cool because they're really bright and they make really pretty colors on this black paper. All right, you're gonna have to share these with a friend because I don't have a lot of them. Please take care of them. You can see how beautiful and bright they are right now. We wanna keep them this way for all our classes. Remember, the most important thing when painting is to not mix your paints. And remember, we want to use the lighter colors first. So I would say yellow and orange. If you want to use those two, I would use those two first before our water gets all yucky. All right, and what we're going to be doing is painting some winter lines on our paper. And I think the best winter lines are some wavy lines and some swirls. What do those remind you of? They remind me of wind, so I thought it'd be cool to do a black paper with some neon wind lines on it for a background. So here we go. I'm gonna start by getting my brush wet, and then I'm gonna wake up my paint. Everybody say, wake up, Mr. Yellow. And this isn't just any yellow, it's neon yellow. I'm really gonna wake it up because I know the more I wake it up, the brighter it will be. Remember to treat your brush like a beautiful ballerina. Make her dance on her tippy toes. We hold on to the squishy part and don't get your fingers in the danger zone. Here we go. So I'm gonna start by making, a big swirl. Can you see that? Once it dries, it's even brighter. Isn't that cool? I'm gonna get a little bit more water. I'm gonna still use yellow. I'm gonna do another swirl. Ooh, I can do big ones and little ones. I can even do some wavy lines like this. Then when I think I'm done with yellow, I'm going to dab my brush. Remember, you have to dab her kind of hard on her bottom to get all that paint out. And then I'm gonna pick a different color. I'm gonna go straight to orange before my water gets gross. Everybody say, wake up, Mr. Orange. Wake up, Mr. Orange. Here we go. Now, I'm just gonna trace around that same swirl. How cool is that? You can make more swirls. You want your swirls to go all the way to the edges of your paper because remember, we're gonna glue a snowman right in the middle. So if you only do your swirls in the middle, your snowman will cover them. So we want to do swirls and wavy lines all over our paper, even to the very edges. Then when you get done with the color, you'll switch, get a new color, and you can keep going until Miss Bridges rings the bell. However you want to. This is just a fun little painting, and this is gonna go in the background of our snowman. That pink looks really pretty, doesn't it? I like the pink. All right, I think I'm gonna go with maybe this neon red and maybe end here. Ooh, that's cool. And you don't have to have this much on your paper. You can have a bunch of little swirls, all different colors. You can do it however you want to. This is just your background, and it's just supposed to be fun. All right, so I have it covered. I've gone all the way to the edges, so when I glue my snowman down in the middle, I'm still gonna be able to see lots of these swirls. I think I'm gonna go back and grab some more orange. The cool thing about this neon is there's no black, so it doesn't mess our water up too much. Remember, the more you wake them up, the brighter they will be. Same with these neons, and we want these really bright because we're using a black paper. All right, boys and girls, have fun.